Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to invite collaborator on Instagram after posting. So let's get started. At first let's get into Instagram app. Now click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner and we can see this post. So let's tap on this. Now click on these three dots on the top right corner and click on edit. Click on this icon over here, so let's tap on this and click on this plus sign to tag another person. Now search for the user you want to tag and click on this tick mark on the top right corner. Now we have tagged one person. In Instagram post, we cannot collaborate with people after posting it already. We have to do it before posting. But what we can do is just tag people. It has got similar features to inviting collaborators but somehow different. If you want to invite collaborator only, we need to do it before posting, and if we want to connect to people yet, we can use tagging option for them. Now click on tick mark and it's done. So this is all we can do. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.